Hi, it's me, the Acros for Fun. For today's video, I'll be showing you a walkthrough for the companion app that goes with your Chihiros WRGB2. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for My Chihiros. At the moment, their logo is a dragon on a red background. Then, just click install and open the app. When you open the app, this is what you should expect to see. On the top right corner, you'll see the color palette button. If you click it, you'll see the option to change the app's color theme. At the moment, we only have 4 color options. Right below that theme button is the Add Device button. This is where you should initially be when first setting up your device. After scanning and setting up the connection process, you can pick the device that you'd like to set up. You will then be transferred to this page. By default, you are in auto mode. Click this menu button and here you can edit the device's name. You can also set up a password just in case you don't want anyone messing up with your settings. And you have a group option as well if you want to group your devices, for example, living room, bathroom, etc. On the lower part of the auto mode page, you'll see the quick set, save, load, and reset buttons. To start, just click the quick set button. You should be seeing a page similar to this one. Here you can set the sunrise or the time that your lights will turn on. I've set mine at 12 noon. Click next. Here you can set the number of your daylight hours. I've picked the aquascaping default of 8 hours. The next setting will be the ramp up time. This is particularly important for the livestock just so they don't get spooked when the lights turn on. The next page is where you can fine-tune your lights settings. Here you can set the intensity of your reds, greens, and blues. I will individually show you the 100% setting of each color. The response is instant in real life. If there is any delay in the video, it's because of the difficulty syncing my screen recording and the aquarium video. I'll be playing with the settings to showcase the Chihiros WRGB2's capabilities. Colors are extremely vivid, especially in person. Sometimes the colors are exaggerated. Some don't like it, but most love it. The sliders underneath the RGB are the light intensity and the color temperature. Color temperature ranges from 3000 up to 13,000 Kelvin. On the very bottom, you'll see the preset options highlighting different aspects of your tank. We have the reds, green, blues, fish, shrimp, and all, which is your RGB maxed out. I personally like the red and the blues setting. You can save that setting and load it up in case you want to adjust some settings but don't want to go through the entire setup process. The preview button does exactly what it says. It gives you a preview of your setup starting at 12 midnight as it goes through the day. From the auto mode, we can now move on to the manual mode. This is a stripped down version of the auto mode. It has the exact same setting layout except for the sunrise, ramp up, and daylight hour setting. You can still control the RGB, intensity, and color temperature. It also kept the presets like green, reds, and blues. Going back to the home page, we can see the personal center page. This is where we see our logged in details and our list of devices. The middle tab on the bottom is the market page for Chihiros. This is where you can see their full list of products ranging from lights to accessories or spare parts. There you go. That's the companion app for my Chihiros WRGB2. Please don't forget to subscribe, because in this channel I talk about aquascaping, fish keeping, and general tips and guides on how to be a better aquarist. That's it for me. Bye!